renin, and we will discuss about the action of angiotensin. Angiotensin. What is the action of angiotensin? Firstly, जो एंजियोटेंसिनोजन फर्स्ट होता है, इट इज एक्चुअली अ प्रिकर्सर. इट इज एक्चुअली इन द इनएक्टिवेटेड फॉर्म. क्या होता है ये होता है इनएक्टिवेटेड फॉर्म में. हम क्या डिस्कस करने वाले हैं? एक्शन ऑफ angiotensin. Action of angiotensin. So first here we will discuss about angiotensin first. What is the action of angiotensin first? Angiotensin first जो होता है, ये क्या होता है? It is physiologically inactive. It is physiologically inactive. ये इनएक्टिव फॉर्म में होता है मौजूद. इट इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड आवर बॉडी, इनसाइड आवर ह्यूमन बॉडी, बट इट इज inactive. It is in inactive form. As well as it serves a precursor. It serves a precursor in. It serves as a precursor in the human body. Precursor for what? It serves as a precursor for angiotensin second. That means it is a predecessor. It is a predecessor. It is what? It is predecessor of angiotensin second. So this is about angiotensin first. Angiotensin first is present in the body, but it is present in physiologically inactive form. Next thing is that it is a precursor. Precursor means it is a predecessor. Predecessor of what? It is a predecessor. That means it comes before the angiotensin second. Now we will discuss about angiotensin second. What is angiotensin second? What is its mechanism? Angiotensin second. Angiotensin second जो होता है, it is present in most active form. It is present in most active form. ये मौजूद होता है most active form में हमारी बॉडी में. ठीक है. जो एंजियोटेंसिन सेकेंड होता है, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन मोस्ट एक्टिव फॉर्म इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. नाउ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज दैट it increases arterial blood. It increases what? It increases arterial blood pressure. It increases arterial blood pressure. It increases arterial blood pressure by causing vasoconstriction. By causing vasoconstriction. That means the veins, the blood vessels get constricted. Okay? It increases the arterial blood pressure. That means the blood vessels, the arteries get constricted. And it happens by inhibiting baroreceptor reflexes. This vasoconstriction is done by inhibiting baroreceptors. जो baroreceptors होते हैं, their action is inhibited. Their action is inhibited. Their action is actually stopped. Firstly, I discussed angiotensin second जो होता है, it is the most active form. It is in most active form present in the human body. Number second point is that it increases the arterial blood pressure by causing the vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction of whom? Vasoconstriction is caused by baroreceptors. These baroreceptors are actually inhibited. Now the second function is that baroreceptor reflex is actually inhibited. Now the second function of it stimulates zona glomerulus. It stimulates zona glomerulosa. It stimulates home zona glomerulosa of what? Zona glomerulosa of adrenal cortex. जो zona क्या होता है, ग्लिमेरुलोसा, 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 इसको ये स्टिमुलेट करता है, इसको ये it stimulates it. This zona glomerulosa is actually an is a part of adrenal cortex, is a part of adrenal cortex का एक हिस्सा होता है. So this adrenal cortex is actually what it secretes aldosterone. It secretes aldosterone. It stimulates zona glomerulosa and it is the part of adrenal cortex. So this adrenal cortex secretes aldosterone. So next function is that it regulates what it regulates, it regulates glomerulus filtration. It regulates what, glomerulus filtration. जो भी ग्लोमेरुलस फिल्ट्रेशन होती है उसको ये रेगुलेट कर लेता है. It does what? It regulates glomerulus filtration. Now another function is that it increases sodium absorption. It increases sodium absorption. जो सोडियम की एब्जॉर्प्शन है उसको ये इंक्रीज करता है. As well as it does what? सोडियम की एब्जॉर्प्शन को ये इंक्रीज करता है. दैट मीन्स वियर रीएब्जॉर्प्शन वियर एट रीनल ट्यूब्यूल्स. जो रीनल ट्यूब्यूल्स होते हैं, रीनल ट्यूब्यूल्स में हमारे डिस्टल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूब्यूल्स, प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूब्यूल्स, लूप ऑफ हेनली, कलेक्टिंग डक्ट्स आते हैं, वहां पे ये सोडियम रीएब्जॉर्प्शन को इंक्रीज कर लेता है. कौन कर लेता है? एंजियोटेंसिन सेकेंड. Another function is it increases water intake. It increases water intake. जो water intake होता है उसको ये increase करता है. How is it possible to increase the water intake? It is possible because it stimulates thirst center. ये क्या कर लेता है? It increases water intake. How is it possible to increase water intake? Water intake को ये यानी पानी जो पानी इंटेक होता है, पानी का जो हमारे पास जितनी हमारी कैपेसिटी होती है उसको ये इंक्रीज कर लेता है बिकॉज ऑफ द बाय स्टिमुलेटिंग व्हाट, बाय स्टिमुलेटिंग द थर्स्ट सेंटर. जो थर्स्ट सेंटर होता है हमारी ब्रेन में, हमारे बॉडी के ब्रेन में, वहां पे इसको ये स्टिमुलेट करता है जिसकी वजह से हमारी जो डिमांड होती है वाटर इनटेक की उसको ये इंक्रीज करता है. हु डज इट? who is the responsible for all that is angiotensin second. It also increases secretion of what? It also increases secretion of what? Secretion of ADH. ADH is what? ADH is antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone. It increases the secretion of antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone की जो क्या है सिक्रीशन को ये इंक्रीज कर लेता है. ठीक है, तो ये एंटी डायरेटिक हार्मोन की सिक्रीशन को कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकता है, कहां से इंक्रीज कर सकता है? क्यों? जो हाइपोथैलेमस होता है, हाइपोथैलेमस हमारे ब्रेन का एक हिस्सा है, वहां पे ये इसकी स्टिमुलेशन को इंक्रीज कर लेता है और सिक्रीशन होती है किसकी ज्यादा? एंटी डायरेटिक हार्मोन की. सो the first function of angiotensin second is that it is present in most active form. It increases the arterial blood pressure by doing vasoconstriction, by inhibiting the baroreceptor reflex. Next function is that it stimulates zona glomerulosa of cortex, of adrenal cortex, to secrete aldosterone. Number third function is that it regulates glomerular filtration. Number fourth function is that it does what? It increases sodium reabsorption. It increases sodium reabsorption. क्या कर लेता है ये? सोडियम की जो reabsorption होती है उसको ये increase करता है from renal tubules. And another function is that it increases the demand of water intake by stimulating thirst center. As well as lastly, I have discussed that it increases the antidiuretic hormone. It increases the secretion of antidiuretic hormone by stimulating the hypothalamus of the brain. Now, I will discuss about the functions of the kidney. Functions of the kidney. We will discuss it in brief. What are the functions of kidney? Number first, you all are aware that the functions of kidney, number first, इसमें सबसे पहली बात क्या है? It maintains water balance. That means maintenance of water balance. First function. Second function is that it helps us in the maintenance of electrolyte balance. So electrolyte भी balance करती है हमारी kidneys. First function of kidney is that it does what? It helps us in the maintenance of water balance. Number second function is that these help in maintaining the electrolyte balance. Number third function is that it helps us in the maintenance of acid-base balance. Acid-base balance. जो भी acid-base balance होती हैं उसमें किनका अहम रोल होता है? वो होता है kidneys का, because they maintain the acid-base balance. As well as number fourth function is that it helps us in the secretion of waste production. It helps us in the excretion of waste products. जो भी waste products होता है उन सभी को ये बाहर करने के लिए ये helpful होते हैं हमारी kidneys. It helps in the excretion of waste products. And number fifth point is that it helps in the secretion of some hormones. It helps in the secretion of some hormones. कौन कौन से वो hormones होते हैं जो secrete ये करती हैं kidneys? Like firstly there is erythropoietin. Okay. उसके साथ साथ thrombopoietin and renin. Thrombopoietin and renin. It helps us in the secretion of hormones like erythropoietin, thrombopoietin and renin. Erythropoietin, thrombopoietin and